Hey guys, found this new game. It's got 2 game modes in it. Helps speed up how fast you can shoot your gun, and it's a pretty fun game. I'll have the link in the description. So you start off, put your mouse on the trigger, and then walk your fingers on the left side of the mouse. So there we go. So I got 10 to 11, 9 to 11 balls per second that time. Pretty fast, helps. I got +2 balls per second already. So I was starting at like 7 to 8 when I started playing this game. So I'll play game mode 2. Game mode 2 is 10 seconds to shoot as many balls as you can, and it'll calculate how many balls per second you shot. So let's put the mouse on the trigger and then lock it. So 93 shots, 9.3 balls per second. It's a little bit different than the first game mode because it's 10 seconds and gotta keep going as fast as you can. So 9.3 balls per second. I was once again starting at about 76 shots when I started playing this game mode, and look how far I've gotten, plus 20 balls in a second. So that could help a lot for some people. Might not do anything. Let's do it again. .92. So yep, helps me quite a bit. I shot a lot faster now. So instructions about game, you can look at it yourself. So the link will be in the description. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thank you for watching.